It's about going to the studio and recording music. Everybody can do that. But the whole idea of putting music out is to make sure that you follow up and the song goes everywhere. And Stonebwoy has consistently been doing that, you know, as an artist. He puts out a project and he follows up. Now, somebody will say, okay, the Osibisa thing. I mean, Osibisa started, right? Eventually, they had some people to help them to go to the next level. Stonebwoy is doing the same. As we speak, Stonebwoy is paying everything out of his pocket. And if you look at the level that he is doing it, yeah, tell me which Ghanaian artist is doing that level now. Now, Osibisa, if you go and check, started somewhere in London. They didn't have the hustle to go and do Ghana Koha.
Hey, you didn't have the hustle?
No.
I read about them before coming. They really went through a lot.
But their hustle was started right out there in London.
Okay.
It's a different turf. You understand? And especially now, I mean, when music is not paying as it used to pay. You understand? And no disrespect to what Osibisa has done. I'm just saying that, look, if we cannot encourage or see the effort that our young ones are putting in, then what's the point? You understand? We should be able to have our own Osibisas in this era. We should, and when Stonebwoy's time is here to also retire, we should have new ones that will pick up the mantle. You understand what I'm saying? And clearly, anybody who wants to argue the fact that Stonebwoy is not putting in the work, then I don't know. I don't know if I should call them a hater or maybe they are not following the work. You know, but nobody can take that away from Stonebwoy and his team.